Kawasaki Motors Japan released the new supermoto KLX 230 SM based on the KLX 230 off-road engine. 17 inches front and rear wheels were installed, and the front suspension was upgraded to a 37mm inverted fork. The 232cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, traditional perimeter frame, and new Unitrack rear suspension are retained. ABS is standard equipment. The engine has been refined from the KLX 230S, and the suspension has been changed to a tighter setting for road use. The front brakes combine large diameter 300mm discs with single 2-pot press calipers. The compact LED headlights and newly designed meter guard are much sharper than the base model and leave a good impression. The so-called supermoto type, based on off-road bicycles and equipped with 17 inches front and rear wheels to improve road riding performance, has disappeared from the ranks of the 4 Japanese manufacturers, and a new model has not appeared in a long time. I think it will be welcome by the fans. Key specifications: overall length 2050mm, overall width 835mm, overall height 1120mm, wheelbase 1375mm, minimum wheelbase 230mm, seat height 845mm. Vehicle weight is 136 kilograms and equipped with single-cylinder 4-stroke air-cooled SOHC2 valve 232cc 19 PS divided by 7,600 revolutions per minute 1.9 kilogram M divided by 6,100 revolutions per minute. 6-stroke transmission 7.4 liters fuel tank capacity. Front tire size equals 110 divided by 7-17. Rear equals 120 divided by 7-17. The front and rear wheels adopt 17 inches with gold rims. The tires are narrow, 110 divided by 7-17 front and 120 divided by 7-17 rear, and you can easily imagine light handling. The black rim in the photo is optional.